What if I told you there's an AI that could make you a millionaire? No scams, just tech-powered hustle. This isn't about crypto or MLM. Real AI tools are helping people launch businesses and build content. Let's explore how these AI websites are game changers and how you can ride that wave in 2025. Forget the old way of starting a business. Now you can go from an idea to a professional website in minutes. This is the biggest opportunity of our lifetime, and most people are still sleeping on it. But not you. You're here, ahead of 99% of the population. Today I'll show you 4 insane AI websites that are game changers. We're talking about practical tools you can use now to build a real income stream. I'll break down what each one does, how people are making money, and how you can start today. So, buckle up, because your journey to becoming an AI-powered millionaire starts now. First up is Durable.co, an AI, so powerful it feels like cheating. Imagine having an idea for a business, like a dog walking service. In the past, you'd hire a web developer, designer, and copywriter, costing a fortune. With Durable, tell the AI your business idea, and in 30 seconds you have a complete, professional website. It writes the text, finds images, creates a contact form, and even generates a business name and logo. No coding or design skills needed, just an idea. How do you make money? Launch that business idea you've been sitting on. Durable removes the biggest barrier, getting a professional online presence. Your business can be up and running, ready for customers, in less time than it takes to watch this video. Here's the secret millionaire strategy: website flipping. Think of it like flipping houses, but for the digital world. Many small businesses have outdated websites or none at all. They need a website but lack time or money for a traditional agency. You can offer to build them a stunning website for a fraction of the cost. Charge $500 or $1,000. For them, it's a great deal. For you, it's a website Durable's AI built in under a minute. Build 5 in an afternoon, potentially earning thousands for a few hours of work. Find a business with a terrible online presence. Use Durable to generate a demo site in seconds. Show it to them and say, "I can make your business look like this." They'll be blown away. Customize the site, connect their domain, and hand over the keys. It's pure profit, with almost no overhead, no coding skills required. Durable handles the technical stuff. Your job is to connect this AI technology with businesses that need it. You're not just selling a website, you're selling a solution. Millions of small businesses have outdated online presences. They lose customers daily because of it. You can fix that problem and get paid handsomely. This isn't just a side hustle. You could build a digital agency around this tool. Specialize in a niche, like dentists or real estate agents. By positioning yourself as the expert, you can charge premium prices. The platform is user-friendly. After the AI generates the site, you can tweak it. Change the color scheme or swap images easily. Deliver a custom-looking product without custom-level work. Recap. Identify businesses with terrible websites. Use Durable to generate a stunning version. Show them the upgrade and offer an unbeatable price. Collect payment, customize, and deliver the final product. Repeat the process. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a get-rich-smart scheme. Leverage AI to provide immense value to the marketplace. Solve a real problem for real businesses. The money you make is a result of the value you create. With Durable, create value faster and more efficiently than ever. Don't sleep on this. While others learn to code, you can build a 6- or 7-figure business. The barrier to entry is lower, and the potential for profit is higher. This is your chance to get in on the ground floor. Start now and build your future. Next, we dive into content with Jasper.ai, the king of AI writing assistants. If Durable builds the house, Jasper furnishes it with content. Content powers the internet. Blog posts, social media, video scripts, emails, ads. Creating high-quality content consistently is a challenge. Or, you could use Jasper. This AI is a beast, writing anything in any tone. Need a witty Instagram caption? Done. A persuasive sales email? Easy. A 2,000-word blog post? Jasper will have it ready in minutes. It understands context, nuance, and writes compelling copy. Digital marketers and big companies use Jasper to supercharge content production. They pay top dollar because great content means more customers and money. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and Jasper is your key. Become an AI-powered content agency. Many businesses need good content but lack time or skill. They know they need to post on blogs or social media but can't keep up. You can solve that problem. Sign up 5 clients for a monthly content package. Charge $1,000 a month for 4 blog posts and 20 social media updates. For clients, it's a fantastic deal. They get professional content without lifting a finger. For you, Jasper generates the workload in hours. Feed the AI topics and key points, and it spits out drafts. you're a content manager, editor, and AI operator. Leverage technology to produce work at scale. That $5,000 a month from 5 clients, just the beginning. With Jasper's efficiency, handle 10, 15, or 20 clients. Now you're talking about a serious 6-figure income. The platform has templates for blog posts, ad copy, and more. Pick a template, fill in info, and Jasper generates options. Eliminate writer's block and start building your content empire. If Jasper sounds intense, try Copy.ai, a beginner-friendly entry into AI content creation. It's intuitive, easy to use, and has a fantastic free plan. Copy.ai is a favorite among freelancers and new agencies. The interface is clean and straightforward. Tell it what you want to create, and it gives you creative options instantly. The free plan is your training ground. Generate up to 2,000 words monthly for free. Learn the ropes, create a portfolio, and land your first client. Start a business with 0 startup costs. Make money by offering writing services on Fiverr or Upwork. Write product descriptions for e-commerce stores. Thousands launch Shopify stores daily, needing compelling descriptions. Most are terrible at writing and will pay for help. $5 per description doesn't sound like much, but think about AI speed. Write a description in 2 minutes with Copy.ai. Knock out 30 in an hour, earning $150. You're using AI to amplify your earning potential. This is the perfect side hustle. Do it in your spare time, evenings, or weekends. As you get more clients, increase your prices. Use the free plan to build momentum and social proof. Another market is social media management for small businesses. Use Copy.ai S tools to generate a month's worth of post ideas and captions. Package it as a $200 or $300 monthly service. It might take an hour of work using AI. It's almost pure profit. Copy.ai lowers the barrier to entry. Anyone can become a copywriter or social media manager. You don't need a marketing degree or years of experience. Understand client needs and use the tool to meet them. As you grow, upgrade to the paid plan for unlimited words. Find clients with content problems and use Copy.ai to solve them. Build an agency around this. Start as a one-person shop, then hire freelancers as you grow. Focus on a niche, like email newsletters for yoga studios. By specializing, you can command higher prices. Copy.ai is your starting line to make money with AI. Finally, let's talk about branding with Looka.com. A great logo and brand identity can make a business look like $1 million corporation. Traditionally, getting a professional logo and brand kit was expensive and time-consuming. Looka is an AI-powered design platform that generates logos and brand kits in seconds. Input the company name, select your industry, pick styles and colors, and the AI presents custom logo options. It generates new original designs. Once you pick a logo, Looka generates an entire brand kit. Business card designs, social media profiles, email signatures, letterheads, and a brand style guide. Everything you need for a professional brand identity instantly. Monetize this by starting a logo and brand design service. Target new businesses, streamers, YouTubers, and entrepreneurs needing a professional look. Offer a complete branding package for a few $100s. On Fiverr, people charge $50 to $500 for a logo. With Looka, offer a logo plus a complete brand kit for a competitive price. A client asks for a logo, and you deliver a logo plus 20 brand assets. Imagine a client pays $300 for a branding package. Spend 15 minutes on Looka to generate the perfect logo. Pay Looka's one-time fee, download the brand kit, and send it to the client. Pocket the difference for massive profit. Use Looka to create assets for print-on-demand businesses. Generate trendy logo designs and put them on t-shirts, mugs, and more. Sell products on Etsy or Shopify. Create a portfolio of niche brands. Use Looka to create a brand for a fictional coffee company and sell merchandise. Looka bridges the gap for those with a good eye for design but lack technical skills. The platform learns and improves, tapping into collective design intelligence. Combine these tools. Use Durable for websites, Looka for branding, and Jasper, or Copy.ai for content. Become a full-service digital agency powered by AI. Charge clients a premium monthly retainer for this all-in-one service. Build $1 million business by solving clients' biggest problems with AI. Get on Looka.com, play with the logo generator and see the massive opportunity. These AI tools won't make you rich overnight, but they give you the firepower to build, grow, and scale faster than ever. Smash that like button if you learned something new. Subscribe for more insane AI tools every week. And hey, drop a money emoji in the comments if you're ready to cash in with AI. The tools are here, more powerful than ever. Durable Jasper, Copy.ai, Looka. These are business-building machines. The only thing missing is you. It's your ideas, hustle, and willingness to learn that will turn potential into profit. The barrier to entry for starting a digital business is gone. No more excuses. The choice is yours. Watch from the sidelines or jump in and start building your empire. I've given you the blueprint, I've shown you the tools. Now it's up to you to take action. Pick one of these websites, sign up today, and start. Your future